Hello everybody, this is the Buzz and Fuzz, and I am coming to you straight from Antalya. Now, this road, this stretch of road, about 15 kilometers, has got to be the best scenic riding road in Turkey, one of the best. It is the road between Kaş and Finike, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm not going to talk too much, so wherever you are, if you're in the toilet watching this, or you're having a shower, or you're just lazing around on the couch kicking your dog, and I just want you to hold on and enjoy the armchair ride you're going to have. You're in the cockpit of Fuzzbuzz Express, and we're going express, baby. So I ain't going to say much. You guys can just enjoy the ride. V-Star 650, but sometimes I feel like the Turkish Valentino Rossi, and now I appreciate more of those MotoGP riders. My God, things they do is scary. About 2 or 3 years ago, I came down this road with a car when I first moved to Antalya, about 3 years ago it was, and I said to myself, one day I will come down here with a bike, and that day is today. The sun's not out, it's overcast, but that's okay. As long as there's no rain, we're alright. Now I know why all those sports bikers come down here on every weekend. They go zooming up and down here. I mean, I like it a little bit more slow paced. I like to take in all the sights, the smells, the sounds, the views. driver through. You might be in a rush, as the Turkish drivers generally have no patience.